Hello, my name is Kennedy Oluoch, and this is my security operations presentation. So, our organization current security environment encompasses five key areas. That is um, vulnerability and policy management, threat detection, incident response, user access control, and application security. Vulnerability management consists of appraising networks and systems for possible shortcomings and loopholes continuously. Threat detection deals with the threat recognition and responding to various kinds of security concerns, whether known or unknown. Incident response requires quick reaction to resolve the incidences that took place. Access control covers mechanisms from the control and restriction of sensitive data and system access. Application security constitutes securing applications from existing or potential risks and vulnerabilities. All of these attributes are part of the protective measures our organization uses to secure the security posture and prevent cyber threats. Our current security operations show some significant flaws that um, significant flaws that need to be addressed immediately. Firstly, our activities are based on the reactive model, which leads to prolonged security incidences, which can have an extended negative influence on the company. Furthermore, there is a lot of wear and tear from our access control tools that hinder them from being efficient and end up as a security breach and unauthorized access. Moreover, our network monitoring technique is imperfect, meaning that we can still be exposed to the appearance of the new cyber attacks. However, the plans are incomplete, which is a dangerous oversight since these may leave systems and data vulnerable to catastrophes. Lastly, the current application security implemented on our system is not enough and is exposing us to a myriad of possibilities that hackers can exploit. Correcting these shortcomings serves as a solid foundation for better crisis management and disaster preparedness, which are highly um, of high importance. In order to address the existing security vulnerabilities, we are undertaking a number of strategic enhancements. The first thing we are doing is strengthening our incident response strategy to ensure its effectiveness and ensure a proactive and swift response to security incidents. Secondly, we are reinforcing the access control mechanism that allow us to keep tighter control over the flow of sensitive data and systems. Thirdly, we employ advanced threat detection systems to improve our chances of finding and keeping emerging cyber threats away. Furthermore, we are establishing extensive disaster recovery plans to allow for speedy reinstitution and operation continuity in the case of an anticipated disaster. Lastly, we ensure the whole suite of application security measures to protect our applications from any vulnerabilities and attack vectors. These schedule changes are no less than the key to farming our cybersecurity behavior and keeping the organization safe from expanding cyber threats. The justification for the implementation of these improvements is fulfilled in the critical role of reducing the risk to security and our company's assets, having them protected from cybersecurity threats. By strengthening our security structure, we not only protect the data, but also create a sense of trust in our partners and stakeholders. With this, organizations can ensure the availability of their business and minimize the negativity of data breaches. Additionally, adhering to industry standards not only shows that we take a serious and responsible view of cybersecurity, but also places us on par with the strongest and most secure companies in our sector. Every single one of these improvements is inseparable from the protection of our organization's credibility, appeal, and lifespan. The proposed changes will bring an endless stream of advantages to our organization. Firstly, these measures should serve to distinguish whether the security incidences will be significantly reduced to these improvements, and therefore minimize the possibility of data breaches and cyber attacks. This ultimate contributes towards high operational efficiency and incidents that cause security disruptions and reduced. Moreover, strong data protection policies make sure that the privacy, validity, and availability of sensitive data are maintained. Secondly, compliance with regulations regarding enhanced security guarantees the fulfillment of security protocols, which makes less the chance of such problems as civil suits and financial actions. And lastly, these changes have become a major turnaround in the view of stakeholders who now trust that our core focus remains the safety and reliability. In conclusion, the recommended reforms shall be launched as a strategy aimed at ensuring a comprehensive plan that involves proper collection and management of risks and an increased level of confidence among the voters. Focusing on security measures and investment is the implementation of robust protocols companies may trust and stay active in the business environment that will be more resistant in the course of cyber crimes and technology development. Moreover, these continuous efforts towards securing show our inherent principle of asset preservation and assurance of our stakeholders. Once our initiatives are in place, we will focus on the culture of security consciousness and resilience, which will put us in a favorable position to succeed long term amidst the changing digital world.